So hello friends, now we are starting question number 10, example number 10 from question number 2 from miscellaneous exercise 5. Now if you'll observe here, given condition DEF are the midpoint of side BC, CA and AB. So here one triangle is given to us, and in this triangle ABC it is given to us that D is the midpoint of BC, E is the midpoint of AC and F is the midpoint of side AB. All the given condition we have shown in the figure here. Now using this given condition we have to prove that AD bar plus BE bar plus CF bar is equal to what? 0. So AD bar plus BE bar plus CF bar is equal to 0. So now here we can say that this AD bar is nothing but what? Median, because segment joining vertex and midpoint of opposite side is called as what? Median. In the same way B is also median and CF is also what? Median. Using all these given condition, so let us try to show that addition of AD bar, BE bar and CF bar will be equals to how much? 0. So here first write down the given condition that D, E, F are midpoints of sides of side BC, CA and AB of triangle ABC. Okay, so this is given condition. Now since to show that addition of these three vector will be equals to 0, we will first define position vectors, position vector of all these points. So let A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, E bar, F bar, D bar, E bar, F bar be the position vectors of points A, B, C, D, E and F respectively. Okay, since we have to use vector method, that's why we are defining here position vector. Now these are nothing but what? Midpoints. Since midpoints are given to us, means somewhere we have to make the use of midpoint formula. So let us see what result we will get by midpoint formula. So by midpoint formula, what result we will get? We will get D is the midpoint of BC. So D bar will be equals to B bar plus C bar upon 2. E is the midpoint of AC, so E bar will be equals to A bar plus C bar upon 2, and F is the midpoint of AB, so F bar will be equals to A bar plus B bar upon 2. Let us denote all these results say by equation number first. All these results we have got from the given condition. Okay, so now we will focus toward our required result. We have to show that addition of these three vector will be equals to what? 0. So now we are trying to show that addition of AD bar, BE bar and CF bar will be equals to what? 0. So we have considered left hand side. Let us simplify this left hand side and let us check whether we will get 0 or not. So AD bar in terms of position vector can be written as D bar minus A bar. BE bar can be written as what? E bar minus B bar. CF bar can be written as F bar minus C bar. So which is equal to, now first collect the positive term D bar, E bar and F bar, then collect the negative terms. Which are the negative term? Minus A bar, minus B bar, minus C bar. If we are taking minus common, what will get here? A bar plus B bar plus C bar. So which is equal to, now replace D bar by its value. What is the value of D bar here? B bar plus C bar upon 2. E bar we are replacing by its value A bar plus C bar upon 2, and F bar will be equals to what? A bar plus B bar upon 2. Keep this last term minus A bar plus B bar plus C bar, keep it as it is. Now if you'll observe these three terms, check whether the denominators are same. Yes, since the denominators are same, that's why we are taking addition of numerator. What we'll get here? A bar plus A bar is equal to 2A bar, B bar plus B bar is equal to 2B bar, and C bar plus C bar is equal to 2C bar. In the denominator 2, keep it as it is, minus A bar plus B bar plus C bar, also keep it as it is. So which is equal to, all the terms are divisible by what? 2. If I am dividing by these 2 to all the term, what we'll get here? A bar plus B bar plus C bar. Or in other word, we can say that take 2 common from all these 3 terms, and that 2 will get cancelled with this denominator. Minus A bar plus B bar plus C bar, keep it as it is. Now difference of these 2 terms will be equals to how much? 0. So in this way we have shown that addition of these 3 vector will be equals to what? 0. So hence we can say that addition of which 3 vector? AD bar plus BE bar plus CF bar is equal to what? 0. So you are able to remember this result as an one important result which can be used as a shortcut method while solving objective type question. What is AD, B and CF? Are 3 medians, and sum of 3 medians of the triangle, or sum of vector along the 3 medians of a triangle, is always equals to what? 0.